Let's get started on the treble crochet stitch, a very tall stitch, even taller than the double crochet. And here's how you do it. So before we insert our hook into any stitch, we're going to yarn over twice. So we'll yarn over again, and now we have 3 loops on our hook. Now I'll insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through that first loop, going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops this time. I'm going to yarn over again, pull through these next 2 loops, and finally yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. And there we have a treble crochet. So I'll move along to my next stitch. I'm going to yarn over twice and insert my hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, and now every time I yarn over and pull through, it's going to be through 2 loops. So I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, yarn over twice, insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the first loop, and now I'm going to pull through in sets of 2. So I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and finally yarn over and pull through the last 2. And again, 2 yarn overs here, insert into your stitch, yarn over, pull through that first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, I've got a couple more stitches to go in my row, but I'll pause here to show you. This is our work in progress, our row of treble crochets, and just to show the difference here. So this was our last little swatch where we learned how to make the double crochet, so you can see the height difference there. And this was when we made the single crochet. So you can see we have the single crochet, the double crochet, and the treble crochet that increase in height. So if you're working on your own pattern, you can think about the difference in height for, how you want to arrange your stitches and create your design. Or if you're following a pattern that someone else wrote, you can understand why they might be suggesting or requiring single crochet, double, or treble, depending on the height of the stitch that is needed.